Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Building and selling mobile app. Building and selling a mobile app can be a rewarding venture if executed properly. Here are the key steps involved in the process. Idea generation and market research. Start by identifying a problem or a need that your mobile app can address. Conduct thorough market research to understand the target audience, competition, and potential demand for your app. Assess the market viability and potential profitability of your app idea. Identify your interests and expertise. Start by brainstorming areas that align with your interests, skills, and expertise. Consider industries or niches where you have knowledge or experience, as this can give you a competitive advantage in understanding the market and addressing user needs. Identify problems and needs. Look for problems or needs that exist in the market and can be solved or fulfilled through a mobile app. Consider pain points, inefficiencies, or gaps in existing solutions. Talk to potential users, conduct surveys, or browse forums and social media platforms to identify common challenges and frustrations. Evaluate market trends. Stay updated with the latest trends in the mobile app industry. Research emerging technologies, popular app categories, and successful app business models. Analyze market reports, app store rankings, and industry publications to gain insights into user preferences and market opportunities. Competition analysis. Study your competitors and their mobile apps. Identify their strengths, weaknesses, and unique selling points. Look for gaps or opportunities that your app can capitalize on. Assess customer reviews and ratings to understand user feedback and pain points related to existing apps. Target audience. Define your target audience for the mobile app. Identify their demographics, preferences, and behavior patterns. Understand their needs, motivations, and pain points. This information will help you tailor your app's features, design, and marketing efforts to appeal to your target audience effectively. Define the app's features and functionality. Based on your research, outline the features and functionality of your mobile app. Consider the user experience, user interface, and the value your app will provide to users. Define the core features that will solve the identified problem and prioritize them for development. Core functionality. Identify the primary purpose or core functionality of your app. What problem does it solve or what need does it fulfill for your target audience? This core functionality should be the central focus of your app. User experience. Pay attention to the user experience (UX) design of your app. Aim for simplicity, intuitive navigation, and a visually appealing interface. Consider how users will interact with your app and ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience. Essential features. Determine the essential features that your app must have to fulfill its purpose. These features should directly address the problem or need identified in your market research. Prioritize these features to ensure they are included in the initial version of your app. User feedback. Gather user feedback through surveys, interviews, or early testing to understand what features and functionality users value the most. Incorporate this feedback into your feature definition process and prioritize features that align with user preferences and expectations. Scalability and future development. Consider the scalability of your app and its potential for future growth. Plan for additional features or functionality that can be added in later iterations based on user feedback and market demands. This will ensure that your app remains relevant and can adapt to changing user needs. Design and development. Hire a professional app designer and developer or a mobile app development agency to build your app. Work closely with them to create wireframes, prototypes, and the final design. Ensure that the app is developed for both iOS and Android platforms, unless you're targeting a specific platform. Wireframing. Start by creating wireframes, which are basic visual representations of your app's screens and layout. Wireframes help in planning the structure and flow of your app without focusing on design elements. User interface (UI) design. Once the wireframes are finalized, work on the UI design. This involves creating the visual elements, such as color schemes, typography, icons, and overall aesthetics of your app. Focus on creating a user-friendly and visually appealing interface. Prototyping. Develop interactive prototypes that simulate the app's functionality and user interactions. Prototypes allow you to test and validate the app's usability and gather feedback before proceeding with full-scale development. Front-end development. Front-end development involves translating the design elements and interactions into code. This includes building the user interface, implementing animations and transitions, and ensuring responsiveness across different devices and screen sizes. Backend development. For apps that require server-side functionality, backend development is necessary. This involves setting up the server infrastructure, developing APIs, application programming interfaces for data exchange, and integrating external services or databases. Testing and quality assurance. Conduct thorough testing of your mobile app to identify and fix any bugs, glitches, or usability issues. Perform functional testing, usability testing, compatibility testing, and security testing to ensure a smooth user experience and a stable app. Test planning. Develop a comprehensive test plan that outlines the objectives, scope, and approach of testing. Define test scenarios and test cases based on the app's requirements and user expectations. Consider functional, usability, compatibility, performance, and security testing. Functional testing. Verify that each feature of your app works correctly and performs its intended function. Test different user interactions, inputs, and outputs to ensure the app behaves as expected. Identify and fix any functional defects or inconsistencies. Usability testing. Evaluate the user-friendliness and ease of use of your app. Test the app's navigation, layout, and overall user experience. Gather feedback from representative users to identify areas for improvement and enhance the app's usability. Compatibility testing. Test your app on different devices, operating systems, and screen sizes to ensure it works seamlessly across various platforms. Pay attention to compatibility issues related to hardware features, screen resolutions, and device-specific behaviors. App Store submission. Prepare your app for submission to the relevant app stores, such as Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Follow the guidelines and requirements of each app store, including creating app store listings, writing compelling descriptions, and providing necessary assets like app icons, screenshots, and promotional images. Marketing and promotion. Develop a comprehensive marketing and promotion strategy to create awareness and generate user interest in your mobile app. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, influencer collaborations, app store optimization, ASO, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Monetization strategy. Determine how you will monetize your mobile app. Common monetization strategies include in-app purchases, subscriptions, advertisements, or a combination of these. Research and choose the monetization model that aligns with your app's target audience and goals. User feedback and iteration. Gather user feedback and reviews after the app is launched. Listen to your users' suggestions, identify areas for improvement, and release regular updates to enhance the app's functionality and address any issues. Continuously iterate and improve the app based on user feedback and market trends. Selling the mobile app. If you plan to sell your mobile app, you can explore various avenues. You may choose to sell the entire app and its intellectual property rights to another company or individual. Alternatively, you can sell licenses or source code of the app to interested buyers. Platforms like Flippa and Apptopia can help you find potential buyers. Negotiation and transfer. Once you find a potential buyer, negotiate the terms of the sale, including the price, payment terms, and any ongoing support or transition period. Seek legal advice to ensure a smooth and secure transfer of ownership and intellectual property rights. It's important to note that building and selling a mobile app requires careful planning, execution, and marketing efforts. Success in the app market depends on several factors, including the uniqueness of your app, its value proposition, user acquisition and retention strategies, and effective monetization. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.